Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change your Steam region and buy games. This is useful if you've moved to a new country or need to switch regions for a specific purchase. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click your profile name at the top and select account details. Click the option labeled Update Store Country. Specify your new location and submit your request. If needed, click Contact Steam Support to clarify your residency and complete the change. Avoid using VPNs to change your region, as this may violate Steam's policies. To buy a game, go to the Store tab and select the game you want. Click Add to Cart, then Continue to Payment. Choose your payment method and enter your billing details accurately. Click Continue and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. And that is it. You have just changed your Steam region and purchased a game successfully. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.